they break away. Batch 3 over 6 furlongs, and very smartly described was Gar's man, already a couple of legs in front. Lit man is nudged up on the outside to go up and contest the advantage, with a little overlay back then to Monsoon, alongside is Psyche, and then Dinree, and dropped in is Varna Gold. Second into formation, and it's Gar's man with a very small advantage over. On the outside is Litman, striding on 2.5 lengths in front of Psyche, and Monsoon, followed by Dinree and Varna Gold. Just outside the halfway stage in batch 3, and heading on up the straight with Litman on the outside of Garsman. Garsman and Litman, not much between them, tracked by Psyche and Monsoon. Making ground is Dinree on the outside of Varna Gold. Anyone of 6 here, they're all in with chances, with a furlong and a half to go, and it's Garsman and Lee Roach, and coming there on the outside is Dinree and Varna Gold with a bit in between horses. These three now have gone on from Psyche, Litman weakens, and then Monsoon up the hill, and it's Dinree on the outside of Varna Gold. Varna Gold and Dinree as they head up to the line, and it's Varna Gold, number 2 in batch 3. Varna Gold by 3 parts of a leg to Dinree. Psyche finished well, and that fourth was Garsman.